Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Some Wike gives Fubara hits as he's given an ultimatum to present the 2025 budget within 48 hours. You know that he got through with it with 2024 budget and 2025 budget. They know that the time is ticking away and Wike wants to checkmate him. But the truth of it is power belongs to God. Wike will try, you don't get me wrong. And we are not saying Fubara is a saint. But on this case where oppression is vividly clear, we just need to keep praying for Fubara, honestly, sincerely, truly speaking. Because what is going on, seriously, sincerely speaking, is not accepted, should not be tolerated, and should not be done to anyone as the matter may be. As we speak at the moment, the things that are going on is unacceptable. I can assure you for free. Totally, completely unacceptable. The way Wike is proving to everybody that he will show to us he is some person who has some words or who has a say is totally completely wrong. Where, my people, this is what is happening now as we all stand to look on and understand the premise and begin to take cue from what is happening. Wike gives Fubara 48 hours to present 2025 budget to the House of Assembly loyal to him. The Rivers State House of Assembly has given Governor Sim Fubara a 48-hour ultimatum to present the 2025 budget to the lawmakers. The lawmakers gave the directives during preliminary in Port Harcourt on Monday morning. Politics Nigeria reports that security operatives, including the Department of State Services DSS and the Nigerian Police Force, took over the Rivers State House of Assembly quarters, the venue for the sitting. A strong detachment of armed security personnel was seen stationed at the strategic point around the assembly complex on Monday morning. The heightened security comes just days after the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Speaker Martin and his colleagues, who moved from PDP to APC, yet the matter has remained silent in those regards, directing them to resume legislative activities after months of power struggle over the control of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The Assembly has started, and they have started seriously with Sim Fubara, giving him an ultimatum to go ahead and present the budget to the House of Assembly immediately, or they will take further actions. Fubara says he is not moved by people trying to intimidate or cause any form of disunity or trouble the state. He knows he's the governor and no one can intimidate him. Wike and his boys can continue in every way and anything they want to do. But the truth of the matter remains, we will overcome. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. You cannot push me and direct me on what to do. I am not a pushover, Fubara replied. The budget will be presented, but you do not give me ultimatum. We will work at it and we'll look at the nearest convenient time to do the right thing. Do all you can. I laugh because at the end of the day, the world is watching. Nigerians are aware of an oppressive situation ongoing. Will not allow this. No. Anyone who wants to oppress me will be oppressing his own self, because what goes around comes around, and we are waiting patiently to see those who will come to say they must take over the House of Assembly or decide what happened. It's not going to happen. So this is Sim Fubara, who is rising up to the occasion on account of what is being presented to him. They are coming up to tell him that he must present the budget immediately. Whether he likes it or not, he must go ahead and present the budget to the Wike House of Assembly. Now, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, which Wike is using, has failed to realize that Nigerians are very much aware of all that is going on. You are quick to make a decision on Fubara, telling him that you have stopped the funds coming to Rivers State. You are quick to make a decision saying, Fubara has no say in this regard, in that regard. But you have forgotten that The world is watching and everybody knows the truth. You did not make a decision on those who has flaunted the law. You did not make a decision on those who are doing everything humanly speaking possible to undermine our democracy. No decision has been made on them. No decision has been made on them at all. You see, there was no decision in those regards. So who exactly are you deceiving? We all know, everybody is fully aware of all that is going on. And whether they like it or not, we will face them squarely. Are we saying Fubara is a saint? Not in the least. That is not what we are pointing at, and that's not what we are saying. But the oppression on the Nigerian people, for those they have given, the opportunity to rule, and then to be, to represent them, and then you are using for every way humanly speaking possible to oppress the people. No way. No way, Wiki. Nigeria does not belong to you. Those who you represent, or those who you have given opportunity to get into some position, and so they are scared because they know that you are with them, is terrible. Okay, it's really terrible. So this is exactly what is happening, why we cannot afford to allow the same thing over and over again. The truth of it is, whatever is going on right now, whatever has continued to cause problem must be dealt away with so that Nigerians can move forward. Every time there is an oppression on the people, it's not going to last. They will try their hardest best possible, but it's not going to last. So these are some of the things that are going on, and why every single person must take a very close attention. My people, it is very, very unprecedented, most of the things going on. And when you look at it, you wonder to yourself, how did we get here in the first place? That a single person will be holding a whole state to ransom because he feels he's a demigod. And guess what? Those that should speak are not speaking. Everybody is quiet. Those who are hailing him, deceiving him, are hailing him. And Nigeria is just in a serious, will I call it declining situation, unless we get real and sincere, decent people who are honest and with the right heart and motivation to bring this country out of the present predicament. God help us. So that's what I can say. God help us. Honestly, truly, sincerely speaking, God help us. You see now, God help us. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.